Yeah, yeah, yeah. Stacks of coupons in my hand, fold tight. Walking through these aisles feels like a fight. Price tags dropping low, what a sight. Sales so heavy, got me feeling just right. Clearance racks.
What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In this video, we are going to be checking out Family Dollar's clearance items on Saturday with 5 off of 25 included. I went to two Family Dollars. I really didn't do too much today. Just got one store that we're working on, and that's Family Dollar. I want y'all to check it out so y'all can rack up on some of these clearance items that's still lingering out here and up for grabs. So before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, here are the items that I got from Family Dollar, and majority of them are clearance items, and the toilet paper and the Fabuloso were at a great price, so I just went on and snatched those up. Okay, y'all, the Arm& Hammer, the 54 loads, it was $3.97 a piece, making them $15.88. Then we have the Arm& Hammer, the Odor Blaster. It was $4.47, and then we have the Arm& Hammer Deep Clean. It was $2.47, but we got two of them, so that was $4.94. And I had a coupon where I would save $5 if I spent 20 on Arm& Hammer products. So these came up to $25.29. And when that $5 digital comes off, they'll be $20.29, making each Arm& Hammer item $2.89 each. Then in this same transaction, I added on the Fabuloso. It is $4.50. We have a $2 digital, making it $2.50, and then right behind it is the Scott Lavender toilet paper. And I already told y'all I like this one better than the 12 count because the rows are much bigger. But it was $5. We have $1 off, making it $4. And then I was able to find some more of these mini brands. My daughters like these little things, and it's like little surprises in these balls, but they are like $9 and $10. But these particular ones are $3.50. So for these four items, it was $13.50, and then that 5 off of 25 came off, making the four items $8.50 or $2.12 each. So basically I just broke it down like that because the Arm& Hammer had its own 5 off, and the other 5 off of 25 came off as well. So I was just basically showing y'all how much each item was after savings was applied. But that is my first transaction at Family Dollar, and like I said, be on the lookout for these Arm& Hammer clearance items because they do come in handy, and especially if you are building a stockpile or trying to start one, at least you can get some good detergent at a low cost. So let's get into this second transaction that I did at Family Dollar. Okay, y'all, here are some more items that I found on clearance that I got today with the 5 off of 25. And only items that wasn't on clearance was the finished Powerball and the Fabuloso. So let's get into these prices. Okay, y'all, I got my daughter a satin pillowcase because actually these are good for your hair and stuff when you sleep with these. And I seen this for $3 and I was like, ooh, I gotta get this. But satin pillowcase was $3. Then I found this 44-piece food storage set. It was $3.47 and it was $6 and 44 pieces. You cannot beat that. And these come in handy for leftovers, packing your lunch to work, and all sorts of things. You can go on a picnic, pack you up some fruit in these bowls with the tops and everything. So those came in handy. Okay, now we have the Downy beads, and it is the 8.6 ounce, and they kind of look like this. They were on clearance for $4.97. They was $6.95. This palm olive was on clearance as well. It's the green apple and white lily scent. It was $1.50, and I seen like four of those, but I just picked up one. And then the Fabuloso, as y'all know, it is $4.50. We have a $2 off, making it $2.50. And if you want your house smelling fabulous, this Fabuloso, the lavender scent, I think it is stronger and better than all the other scents because it be having my house lit when I mop my floors with this particular scent. Just letting y'all know. But okay, we got the finished Powerballs. They were five, and we have a $2 digital, making it $3. And then these Snuggles, the box is kind of busted up, but hey, it's still closed and still good to go. But this particular one, 105 sheets, Super Care, Lilies and Linen, it was on clearance for $3.97 and it was $5.50. And these Homeline toilet papers are still floating around. I'm still shocked to see these because I have been seeing them. I just haven't picked up any, but they are still on clearance for $4.47. And I'm wishing and hoping that they drop the price on these because I will be doubling back, snatching up the rest of them. But yes, they are still $4.47, and I had used some like a couple of weeks ago, and it is an alright brand of toilet paper, if you ask me. It's not too thin, and it's thick rolls, and it's some nice toilet paper. Okay, y'all, I found one of these Tide Simplies, the 13 packs. It was $1.77. I wish I had that 75-cent off, but I didn't. So, but still, I snatched it up at $1.77. And this is another stockpile item. If you can find these, y'all, grab them. $1.77. You cannot beat that. Okay, the U Clicks by Kotex, they were $3.97, and it is the Super 32 count. And then last but not least, I found my son some Hanes boxers. They had like 2 packs left. I just grabbed one. They were reduced to $7.97. And they were originally $16, and this is what it looks like. But the other one, this particular one was like blue. The bottom one, they was like different colors. These were at a good price, so be on the lookout for these. The men's stretch boxer briefs by Hanes. But y'all, that is the end of my Family Dollar clearance journey and my 5 off of 25s. Went to 2 store, did 2 transactions, and I want y'all to comment down below and let me know if y'all plan on going to any of your local Family Dollar, scoping out the scene, seeing if y'all can find more clearance items, new clearance items, old clearance items, any clearance items. It's all good if y'all get to find some. But like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out, because no telling what type of deal I will be dropping. And like I said, in a day or so, y'all will see a special guest on my channel. So stay tuned for that. I'm excited for that. And I'm out, y'all. Peace.
Yeah. Yeah.